In this lesson, I will show you how you can add your own voice. On the bottom of the video panel, you will see delete, preview, trim video, add voiceover. You have to click here. You will see record voiceover. Click here, record voiceover. Then you can record your own voice. I'm showing how you can do this. You have to first press record, then you can read your own voice. Okay, I'm canceling it. Cancel. And I am recording again, because when I'll record my voice, I'll not say anything else. Let's try again. Istanbul is a city that sits at the intersection of Europe and Asia. Let's stop. Here you will see three buttons: cancel, save, and apply. So if you are not satisfied, you can cancel it. If you want to just save it, then press save and you can apply your voice for this video. I'm clicking on the apply button, apply, so it's already applied. Let's play my voice. Istanbul is a city that sits at the intersection of Europe and Asia. You can see here your voice has been applied to this clip. So let's try the next one. Here, press again record voiceover, press to record. It has a rich history and is known for its stunning architecture, including the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. The voice recording is 9 seconds, and you can also use normal speed 1.5 times, 1.25 times, and twice of your speed. I'm using my normal voice space. Apply. So you can see here my voice has been applied to this scene. Let's play again. It has a rich history and is known for its stunning architecture, including the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. This is how you can add your voice to the scenes. I'm showing the third one. Again, record voiceover. Then press record. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. You see, I stumbled when I read the subtitles, so I'm canceling it. It will not be applied. Then again you can do it. Press to voiceover. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. Apply. And then listen to your record. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. After applying, you can also cancel it. Here there is a cross sign. If you click on that, then you can cancel it. So after adding your voice, you can cancel it. Let's see how we can do this without any embarrassment. These are my previous recorded voiceovers, and you can use your previous voiceovers. You see all my previous voiceovers are recorded here. So you can see the third one is cancelled. I mean, this one is cancelled. So I can record it again. Record voiceover. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. Apply. Play. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. So okay, I'm cancelling it again. Remove frag. Okay, you see the voiceover has been removed. Let's see the preview. You can always check your preview to see.
The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets.
So you see my voiceover has been cancelled, and the previous voiceover which I have set previously, it is running. So let's go to previous scene and let's play the preview. It has a rich history and is known for its stunning architecture, including the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. So you see the second one, on the previous scene is playing my voiceover. So you can go to there, and this time I will save it for later use. Record voiceover, press to record. Okay. The city also boasts a vibrant food scene and bustling markets. Save. It's saving here. The city also boasts. So now you can use it to current scene. So apply it to current scene. So you see it has been applied to scene 3. It is scene 1, scene 2 and scene 3. The city also boasts. So this one I have deselected and I can now delete this one because these and this one is duplicate. So you can delete it like this. So this is in the scene 1 and scene 2 and scene 3. So we have recorded only these 3 scenes and the other scenes are not applied to this video. These are previous voiceover I have recorded. So this is how you can use your voiceover. It's very flexible and very convenient because here showing that remove voiceover. If you don't like the voiceover, then you can remove it. I'm showing you by clicking here, remove voiceover. So see, it has been removed. And again, if I want to add or apply to this scene, just click on current scene. It has been applied. It's shown like this. So this is how you can use this one, or you can remove from here by clicking on the cross sign, or because it's not here, I'm showing you. So this is how you can remove voiceover from here also, and from clicking this one also. And if I go to the next one, you can use your voiceover like this current scene. So you see this icon is showing. This is very flexible to upload your own voiceover. Thank you.